Before Toyota, before Ferrari, there was one car that changed everything, the Ford Model T. At the start of the 1900s, cars were toys for the wealthy. Henry Ford had a bold vision, create a car for the everyday worker. That dream became reality in 1908 with the Model T. It was simple, durable, and reliable on rough dirt roads. Unlike its competitors, it was affordable, selling for just $850 at launch. For the first time, families could imagine owning a car. Ford's greatest breakthrough was the moving assembly line. By 1913, the production time for a single Model T dropped from 12 hours to just 90 minutes. Costs plummeted, and so did the price tag, opening the door to millions of buyers. Why the 1920s? Over half the cars in the world were Model Ts. Farmers used them to haul goods. Families traveled farther than ever before, and an entire generation gained new freedom. America's roads and future were built around this car. Although production ended in 1927, the Model T left a mark no other vehicle could match. It changed how things were built, how people lived, and how the world moved forward. It wasn't just a car, it was the car that built modern life. Proof that sometimes one machine can change history forever.